The Pixel 8a is here and it feels like greeting an old friend, but one that's hit the gym and gotten a fresh haircut. We know Google loves sticking to its design language, and this time around it's no different. But don't let that fool you. The Pixel 8a might look familiar, but it packs some serious upgrades under the hood. The question on everyone's mind, is it a worthy successor to the Pixel 7a, especially in the ever-competitive mid-range market? Well, that's what we're here to find out. Over the next few minutes, we'll dive deep into the Pixel 8a, exploring its design, performance, camera, and those software features Google's known for. We'll see if Google's managed to strike gold again, or if the 8a falls short of expectations. Buckle up because we're about to break down everything you need to know about Google's latest offering. By the end, you'll know if the Pixel 8a is the right fit for your pocket and your pocketbook. First impressions? The Pixel 8a looks sleek. It retains the signature Pixel design language but with subtle refinements. The bezels around the display are slimmer, maximizing that screen real estate. Speaking of the display, it's a vibrant OLED panel with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through social media feeds and web pages is a buttery smooth experience. You'll notice Google has opted for Gorilla Glass Victus for added durability against those accidental drops. Under the hood, the Pixel 8a is powered by Google's latest Tensor G3 processor. This chipset is built for performance and efficiency, making multitasking a breeze. Gaming is also enjoyable on the Pixel 8a, with the phone handling demanding titles without breaking a sweat. Let's be real, the camera is what we're all here for, right? The Pixel 8a boasts a dual camera system that, on paper, might not seem revolutionary, but we all know it's about the software magic Google brings to the table. And let me tell you, the Pixel 8a doesn't disappoint. Photos are crisp with excellent dynamic range. Google's computational photography algorithms really shine here, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Portrait mode is on point, producing natural-looking bokeh effects. Video recording is solid with up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. The stabilization is impressive, ensuring smooth footage even when you're on the move. Google has also included some fun software features like Magic Eraser and Motion Mode, adding a touch of creativity to your photography. Section 4, Google's software magic. One of the Pixel's standout features has always been its clean and intuitive software experience. The Pixel 8a runs on the latest version of Android, offering a bloatware-free and user-friendly interface. Google's software touches are evident throughout. From the smart assistant features to the seamless integration of Google services, the Pixel 8a provides a cohesive and intuitive user experience. You also get the benefit of timely software updates, ensuring you have the latest features and security patches. Another area where the Pixel 8a shines is its call quality. Google has implemented clear calling, a feature that leverages AI to reduce background noise during calls. This makes for crystal clear conversations even in noisy environments. Section 5. The value proposition. Is it a worthy contender? Now, the million-dollar question, is the Pixel 8 a worth your hard-earned cash? The mid-range smartphone market is fiercely competitive, with plenty of great options available. But the Pixel 8a holds its own, offering a compelling package that's hard to ignore. Its combination of sleek design, smooth performance, and exceptional camera quality makes it a strong contender in its price bracket. Of course, no phone is perfect, and the Pixel 8a does have a few minor drawbacks. The battery life, while decent, isn't groundbreaking, and while the Tensor G3 processor is capable, some competing devices offer slightly more powerful options. Section 6. So, should you buy it? So, who is the Pixel 8a for? If you're someone who values a clean software experience, exceptional camera quality, and smooth performance, then the Pixel 8a is definitely worth considering. It's a phone that excels in the fundamentals, offering a premium experience without the premium price tag. If you're a spec-obsessed user who prioritizes having the absolute latest and greatest hardware, you might find the Pixel 8 slightly lacking. But for everyday users who want a reliable and enjoyable smartphone experience, the Pixel 8a is a fantastic choice. Ultimately, the decision of whether to buy the Pixel 8a comes down to your individual needs and priorities. But one thing's for sure, Google has delivered another solid entry in the Pixel lineup, proving that you don't need to break the bank to own a great smartphone.